Hidden Valley UTV here. It's storming above us right now. You may be able to hear all that thunder. Quite a light show going on. If it wasn't already so dark, I might even go riding right now. I love riding during these storms. I know a lot of you people do too. The fleet's sitting here ready. Now that the weather is starting to get cooler. Come on, Thunder, give me another flash. There we go. 1, 2. There we go. Got a whole row of UTVs here. Just waiting for some people to take out on the trails. If we're lucky, we may even get some light show like this on the trails. Though rare. It stopped raining a few minutes ago, so I decided to come out here and get some nice video. Pop the lights on real quick and I'll show you what we've got in the fleet. There we go. We've got the XP 1000 crew. Long travel, lifted, razor shocks, all the trimmings. We've got the XD 4000, which is industrial grade. Has full weather doors, but I have the tops taken off right now because it's just too hot for them most days. And despite the logos, this is actually a Ranger XP 570. Bobcat just licenses them to put their front end on it so it looks like a Bobcat. The engine, trans, frame, literally everything is Polaris. The one at the end is not used for those purposes. That's a relative of mine's. All three of these machines are ready to go out on trails. We're not just limited to UTV tours. We've also taken in some of the local Indian tribes out. There's a massive number of petroglyphs on one of the mountains about right out there where the camera's centered now. And it's not reachable by your common vehicles. Don't need 4x4 necessarily, but you do need high ground clearance to get out there. So we took them out there and they had a few ceremonies. And we've also helped the local BLM fire crews when there was brush fires out here with scouting for routes to get their fire trucks in. So we do a little bit of everything out here. If you'd like to schedule or inquire about more details, just DM me. Hidden Valley UTV Tours on Facebook.